Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I guess we're going to Tila Pilon Hills today. Let's do it! Hi guys, good afternoon. So we're here at Cafe Provincia with Wanderbeb.
Hey guys! Hello sa inyong lahat. Ini-invite ko kayo na bisitahin itong Tila Pilon Hills, lalong-lalo na itong Cafe Provincia na matatagpuan mismo dito sa jump off ng hills na ito. Sobrang sulit. Saka makakakita may coffee shop na dito sa mismong kabundukan ng DRT.
Oh nga, and
Ayan.
their coffee here is made from
Yes,
Bulacan,
and they offer our very own coffee here called Talbak Blend. And sobrang pagka natikman nyo talaga siya, masasabi nyo talaga na kaya kayong ipaglaban.
So guys, it's a must try when you go here and climb Tila Pilon. You should visit this place and taste their coffee.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye!
Thank you Kuya Louie. Ingat ka. Next time, chat-chat na lang.
Go!
Gagaling ba kami pag sindigaw ko?
Kaming, mag-vlog ka. Ikaw.
Sigaw daw lahat ng sakit ng loob, sakit ng loob mo. Heart attack! Cholesterol! Stroke!
Pero matibay yan, mga two-stroke. Matibay yan.
Naralaan ko eh.
Gusto ko export namin, hanggang buo pa eh.
Ay, yung ano, enduro?
Hindi, yung pinasultahan na yung service sa amin nung elementary.
Oo!
Buo pa yun.
Yung tricycle?
Tatay mo. Oo. Lakas pa humatap.
Madali kasi hanapin pyesa dito sa atin. No?
Tama, pag Suzuki matibay. Balik na, balik na.
May tatak pa naman tayo eh.
Merel. Sulit.
Tignan mo siya ako na parang free na.
Ah, sige.
Tour guide? Siyempre.
Okay.
Ano lang yan, silog.
Yes, ngayon pawakan eh. Right, it's already starting. So guys, the trek here is so stiff, it's around 60 degrees. So I suggest you exercise your legs before going here at Tila Pilon. Alright. The sky is so bright, but it's raining today for some reason. My camera is soaking right now, and I'm soaking with sweat. Well, we chose the hard trail. instead of the easy one. So we can have a full experience of everything. One tip when hiking things like this, mountains, don't force yourself if you're already tired. You can always rest. You always have the time. It's harder to carry someone. But the view here is so great. Away from the city, all you can see are trees, plants. Although I cannot see any animals right now, but I can hear the birds and the bugs. Nico, no elevation?
235 meter.
Wow, that's high.
Best, lapit lang.
Cementerio. Manny, how's the experience?
Good.
Good. How about you, Mia?
Good kasi forest. Bad kasi mataas.
Daniel, what can you say?
Chicken na chicken yan.
Ate, is this the hard trail?
Yes, this is the hard trail.
Yes.
This is the hard trail.
Look at that.
Harder trail.
Look at that. Para game?
Kailangan po pag aakyat kayo, isang way lang kayo. Pag kaliwa, puro kaliwa. Kung kanan.
Ano masabi? Agka mag-alala ate, nag-ano kami eh. Nag-rappelling kami nung ano eh.
Ito ko na lang. Balikan na lang namin. Mauna ka ba?
Oo, para ma-video ko kayo pa kaya. Sana umuulan natin, no? Nang madulas. Wow, ganda ng view dito, oh.
Picture na. Ano mo alam?
Kaya yan. Mukha lang mahirap yan.
Parang mahirap pero parang ganyan lang din yan.
Oo, pag lang sa malayo, tignan mo mahirap.
Pinahawak ko ng lubi dyan eh. Oo, dapat.
Actually, this is... Hindi, saglit lang. Gumagalaw yung lubid pag madami. Nico, kaya? Pahinga ka muna, pahinga lang. O, pahinga lang.
Diyan mo na, paling ka para masama kita.
So, here's Daniel. Yabang ni Doming, oh. Dito, no hands.
Kaya lang, Brad.
Yung jacket mo, pre. Sige, pre, mauna ka na. Bibidyo ko sila. Actually, this is a bit hard because it's almost 90 degrees. Struggle is real. Oi! One step at a time, bro. One step at a time. So at my back, we have Brian, Mark, and Carlo, and Garcia family. So Daniel and Nico are already on the top. The key here is that you should take your time and don't rush because it can cost you your life. And also, always look for your friends. Oh, almost there. Almost there. And yes, I made it. And Doming, congratulations. So Carlo, almost there. Look, you can hear our breathing. Baba dyan na, baba. Mia and Manny for the goal.
Yun.
Nice.
Unahin natin, Louie.
Nico, kamusta?
Pagod.
Pagod. Daniel, kamusta experience?
Pagod. Di na sanay.
Ma'am, ano masasabi niyo sa group namin?
Ayos lang.
Malakas ba kami?
Malalakas din.
Malakas din. Uy, I think you need to close the payong. Wala eh. Okay lang yan. Waterproof naman eh. Okay. Sige, pahinga lang. Kaming anong payo mo sa mga aakyat dito?
Dala kayo ng tubig. Mahal tubig dito.
Yun lang.
Sapatos kayo, madulas. Yun lang.
Ba't basa yung pitan mo? So we're now going down. The way going down is as slippery as going up. So it just took us around 20 minutes. So it just took us around 20 minutes to reach the summit of the hill. It's just a hill, not a mountain really. But the view there is not a view you will see every day. So I think it's worth the time and energy. By the way, this is my first hike for 2020 with my high school classmates. I hope we always do this. Kanta niya, Hail Holy Child Academy, thy sons and here are we, to all ever ready, singing thy name always in glee. Those given us joy and love, we face to give thy, shall be thy memories. Hail Holy Child Academy.
Breakdown.
Alam nyo ba, nung unang panahon nandito si Domeng, di ko alam kung saan nanggaling. Tayo na, ang dulas. Ay, tayo, video ako yun. Sinadya po ni Daniel yun. Ay, pucha, ang dulas. Ang dulas eh. Wow.
Di na.
Buti naman. Aray, putya. Napatid naman ako. Mas mahirap ano. Baka nagtapak na ako ah.
Kahit tapak, lalo tayong dudulas. Hindi na madulas.
Wow.
Wala ka rin nga mga ayos, no?
Oo, ayop. Ilan naman na kayo katagal? Nagpunta rin.
1 month po nung 7.
Ah, bago pa lang.
Soft opening pa lang.
Anong cafe to ate?
Probinsya po.
Cafe Probinsya.
Meron po net. Meron po net.
Okay lang ate.
Panoodin niyo po yan.
Ah, meron kayong branch doon.
Opo. Sa may Save More po.
Galit na galit.
Parang i-signal na eh. Kaya
Eh.
pagka, basta
Ikaw
na...
ba yung umiilaw o yung kay Mali?
Ako, nag-ilaw ako.
Ikaw din.
Ano yung ilaw? Ako, nag-ilaw
Ilaw sa
ako.
likod ko eh.
Ha? Dapat ba bukas? Yun, umiilaw.
May ilaw
Dapat
yun.
bukas ilaw
Alam ko,
talaga.
may ilaw eh.
Ayun nga.
Lalo pag umuulan.
Ano kayo yun? Nakailaw. Palagi kasi nakailaw.
Lakas din naman yun eh. Oo ba, baka wala pa.
Bilis, mag-solve ka.
Ping-ping-ping eh.
Bayon ako doon.